Hey, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, Episode 7 for March 14th, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. Let's go. Okay, friends, buckle up for today's big story because this one has me genuinely excited. It's about a new AI from Google DeepMind called Aletheia, and it's pushing the boundaries of what machines can do with math. Not just the simple stuff, but the deep professional level research that could change how we discover new things. So, what is Aletheia? Imagine you're a detective in a massive library full of mystery novels, and your job is to piece together clues from hundreds of books to solve a case. That's kind of what this AI does, but with math. It reads through huge piles of math papers and ideas, comes up with step-by-step explanations called proofs that show why something is true, checks if they're correct, and fixes any errors. And it does all this in everyday language, not those confusing symbols that make math feel like a secret code. Here's why that's cool. Math is the foundation for so much in our world. Think about designing your favorite video games, where you need math to make characters jump realistically or build worlds that don't glitch, or predicting the weather for your weekend plans, or even creating new medicines that could help people you know. Aletheia is like upgrading from a kid solving fun puzzles at a math competition to a pro researcher uncovering real breakthroughs. It works by iterating, which means it tries a solution, tests it against what we already know is true, and keeps tweaking until it fits perfectly. Now picture this in your life. If you're a student tackling algebra or calculus homework, this could be like having a genius tutor who explains everything clearly and helps you build your own understanding. No more staring at a problem feeling lost. For career changers eyeing fields like data science, where you analyze numbers to make decisions, this AI could let you dive in without spending years catching up. And for teens or curious parents, it's inspiring because it shows AI getting better at creative problem solving. You could use similar tools for school projects, like researching history or inventing strategies for games like chess. The best part? This might speed up discoveries that affect us all, like better tech or environmental solutions. Aletheia itself isn't out for everyone yet, but you can try something similar today. Head over to the Wolfram Alpha website, a free online tool, and type in a math problem like solve x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. It'll break it down step by step with explanations. Or open up the ChatGPT website and ask it to explain a math idea, like walk me through the Pythagoras theorem like I'm building a treehouse. See how it iterates, building and refining the explanation, just like Aletheia does with proofs. It's a fun way to feel that power, and honestly, it might spark your own ideas for projects. All right, now for my favorite part, the deep dive. Today we're going under the hood of how an AI agent like Aletheia actually tackles complex math research. This one's a bit like playing a video game, so stick with me and we'll build it step by step. You don't need to be a gamer to get this. It's all about that sense of adventure. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt in a huge, foggy forest. That forest represents the vast world of math papers, ideas, and problems out there. The AI doesn't just wander randomly. It starts by mapping the area. That means it reads and summarizes key clues from all those books and articles to really understand what the problem is asking. It's like scanning the forest with a drone to spot the big landmarks before you step in. Step 2. Now that it has the lay of the land, the AI generates a path forward. Think of sketching a rough map to the treasure. This is where it creates an initial proof or solution, using simple words to predict what steps might work. It bases this on patterns it's learned from tons of examples, kind of like how you've played enough levels in a game to guess the next move without thinking too hard. But here's where it gets smart. Step 3. Verifying the map. The AI checks it against real landmarks, which are the known math facts or rules that can't be broken. If something's off, like a path leading to a cliff, it spots the mistake right away. It's not guessing blindly. It's testing everything logically, just like you'd pause in a game to see if your strategy holds up. And if it's wrong? Step 4. Revising. The AI tweaks the route, maybe by pulling in new clues from more reading, and loops back to try again. It keeps iterating, this cycle of building, testing, and improving until the path leads straight to the treasure. That's the successful proof or discovery. And that's basically how Aletheia moves from fun math contests to real professional work. It's like a self-correcting explorer that gets better with every attempt, all on its own. Not so scary, right?
Once you see it as a game loop, it clicks. AI agents like this are just systematic adventurers in a world of ideas.
Okay, shifting gears to some cool stuff happening in AI that you can actually play with today. First up, Microsoft is bringing its Copilot AI assistant to Xbox consoles later this year. Copilot is like a voice-activated helper. Think of it as Siri or Alexa, but supercharged with advanced AI that understands the context of what you're saying and chats back naturally. It's already in things like web browsers or office tools, and now it'll be on your Xbox to answer questions, give gaming tips, or fix glitches. This could make gaming way more enjoyable, especially if you're new to a game and get stuck. Imagine asking, how do I beat this boss in Fortnite? And getting tailored advice without leaving the game. For teens who love diving into worlds like that, or students using games for creative storytelling, it's a game changer, no pun intended. While the Xbox version isn't here yet, you can try something similar right now. Go to the Perplexity website on your phone or laptop, it's free, and ask for tips like, give me strategies for winning in Minecraft survival mode. Then, jump into the game and test one out, like building a better shelter. See how it amps up your fun? Next, Google just shared details on its 3 nano banana image generation models. These are AI tools that create pictures from text descriptions. Basically, you type something like a robot dancing on the moon, and it whips up an image for you. They come in different levels. The basic one is quick and affordable. The middle one, Nano Banana 2, handles most tasks and can even pull real photos from the web to inspire what it makes, while the top one dives into super detailed creations. It's exciting because it opens up art to everyone. No need for drawing skills. Think of it as an infinite sketchbook that turns your wild ideas into visuals, perfect for school projects like illustrating a science report or jazzing up your Instagram posts. If you're into creative hobbies or thinking about a design career, this is your playground. To try it, you could check Google's AI tools page, but for a free starting point right now, head to the Crayon website. Type in a banana split in space to nod to the fun name, then tweak it. Try futuristic banana split in space versus cartoonish one. Experiment with those changes and see how the images evolve. It's a blast and builds your creative skills instantly. Time for quick bits, some fast, fascinating updates from the AI world. First, a lawyer who's dealt with cases where AI chatbots played a role in mental health issues like contributing to suicides, is sounding the alarm on bigger risks. They're warning about things like mass casualty events because AI is advancing quicker than safety checks. This matters because it reminds us to balance the helpful side, like AI for homework, with keeping users safe, especially teens on social media. It could lead to better ethical rules that make AI friendlier for all. Second, some Chinese governments are investing millions in projects called OpenClaw to build one-person companies. That's where a single person runs a whole business using AI agents as virtual employees for stuff like marketing or customer service. It's intriguing because it means anyone could turn a hobby like selling custom art online into a real gig without hiring a team. Imagine a teen starting that from their room. Pretty empowering. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That's literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow.